What's up, y'all? It's Jay Sean. Back on the channel with another vlog. We about to hike this forest.
Why are you talking to the camera, bro?
What'd you say?
Why are you talking to the camera?
He's documenting our death.
He says we're about to die.
We're gonna be fine. What you say, bro?
Finna be hiking the trail.
Why is
Might make it. Might not. 4.7 miles. Going up.
That's how I feel.
Sheesh.
What up, bro?
Real Tarzan.
Come on, we got Tarzan in this. Hey,
Yo, you tough.
that's the one.
You tough.
That's the one.
It's a great day to be outside. Go be outside. Get out the room.
See, that's what I'm telling y'all, bro.
Uh-oh. About to get lost already?
Y'all know where you going?
Yeah.
You going to Morris?
But you can go, either way, right? It's so it's a loop. You
wanna be a group?
Y'all tripping.
Yeah, you don't know what's going on. I'm saying.
They trying to get lost.
Alright, guys.
I'm staying on the trail, bro. Bro, what?
This way.
We can go both ways.
Are y'all can't be
Let's see
serious.
who gets there first.
Nah, bro, I'm not splitting up. That's what they do in movies. They try to split up like the scary movies. I just got a revelation. I'm gonna explain later. Made it.
This tree's kind
To lose actually to get lost, how would you survive if we had nothing?
Here?
Yeah. What would be the first thing you did?
Like if I knew, like we were, like, am I trying to get back to civilization, or am I just trying to like it's a zombie apocalypse? I'm just trying to survive. Bro, what?
Zombie apocalypse. I know what you're trying to say.
Like, cause there'd be different. Like, if I'm trying to get back to like civilization, I would just follow the trail back down.
Yeah.
But
I wouldn't stay up high because there's no running. Like, think about it, you're not running anywhere. That's a rolled ankle.
zombies ain't getting at me. Well, I don't know. If we're actually talking zombie apocalypse, I don't know.
Okay, zombie apocalypse, yeah.
Then I think it might not be bad if you could get your initial shit. But you need like running water, and you don't got that up here.
Yeah. Not at the top yet, but got a good view. You know what I'm saying? Video don't do it no justice.
60 at the top.
How y'all feeling today? Y'all good? He's laughing at me. You want me to raise up the camera? I could raise up the camera.
Please don't.
One more picture.
We made it, man. What a view.
Oh my god, you really just locked it. Look at me, I'm getting all the angles.
Now you would die. You would
Right.
definitely die.
Like on impact, as soon as you hit the ground?
Impact, nigga.
That's a good death.
It's rock down there.
Yo, do something crazy, bro. Wow, I'm actually so good at this.
Hey, man, this is life. This is what life's about. Get out the room.
Stop jacking.
Go outside with your homies and get on a walk, bro. Get a life, dog.
What he said.
Here for 5 minutes so I can take pictures.
I'm cool with that.
I'm trying to have a few snacks.
Snacks?
Some water. We're gonna have to stop somewhere on the way back, bro.
Honestly, ever since I met him.
You taking my head?
Yeah.
Being in the wilderness on this hike, it made me realize how hard it was for Jesus to walk or to fast for 40 days and 40 nights. Because he was in the wilderness. And he had to stay in there 40 days. And there's so much more to the wilderness than what we think. We just think of a forest um, that looks good in the daytime, but there's a nighttime to a forest. You probably didn't have any lights, so it's pitch black. There's animals, mountain lions, things like that. There's so many factors that come into surviving in the wilderness, let alone fasting for 40 whole days. And he still didn't give in to temptation when the devil came about. He still resisted. He still resisted, and that's crazy to me. Man, that's just a lot to think about. Just being on a mountain, seeing how peaceful it is up here. No real breeze, not a lot of people, no real sounds, just nature. And it feels like you just above the world, higher than everything, close to the sky. Feels like you're just closer to God already just by going up. So every time the Bible says Jesus went up or other people went up, then like you can see why those people went up. Went up on hills, went up on mountains. It makes sense. It makes sense. But man, I commend Jesus so much. I respect him so much more. The more I get to see nature, the more I get to experience life. I commend Jesus so much more because he really did go through a lot for the sake of us without sinning. I appreciate the Lord for sending his son, and I appreciate Jesus Christ for loving us that much, for thinking about us that much, that he endured so much. But we about to head back in a little bit. We got a long journey down too. It was a long journey coming up. Man, it was so hot. There's a lot of rocks. A lot of rocks. It's not just path, it's rocks, it's branches. It's easy to bust a knee or have a twisted ankle. And during all that, just to get up on this mountain and see the fruits of your labors, it's cool. But about to head back in a little bit. Catch y'all at the bottom.
You have to take a step of uncertainty and maybe experience some failure in order to grow and experience success in your life.
They got rattlesnakes, man. That's dead. Oh, it's a deer.
That's a bear?
Wildlife. Camping soon.
River.
Camping vlog soon.
We still out here filming for Jesus Christ.
No,
For
we're
Lord.
lost. We did not come from this way.
For our Lord.
Oh, a hidden waterfall. Nah, this is crazy. That's a cool waterfall, man. You gotta love nature. Life is amazing, man. What you gotta say?
We outside for real. We outside.
We in here for real. God created a beautiful earth. Beautiful. Might as well enjoy it while we here. Tell the people enjoy life.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy life, man.
Like taking steroids.
I don't know about that. Hey, Faith over confidence. Rely on God's will, not your own, man. Not your own. Because we fail, but God will never fail, man. Faith over confidence. Hey, check my boy Nika out real quick. No! Wait, one more.
Hey, one last thing. It's the evil world we live in.
Thanks. It's an evil world we live in.
It's the evil world we live in.
That's the end of the vlog, man. Had a good day hiking, being at the waterfall. I'm just enjoying life, man. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like it. Make sure y'all comment. I got some more content coming soon. Tune in to the latest episodes. Last episode, do not be anxious. Got more episodes on the channel that y'all can tune into. Lots of content, man. Make sure y'all keep showing love. Keep showing love. Channel is really growing. Thanks to you guys. But until next time, man, we out.